Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Eros puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely amazing quality. The Eros puzzle was made using two different types of wood, Babinga and Cherry. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 6 parts inside the frame. As you can see, Dr. Volker Latusek as always pays a lot of attention not only to the solution but also the appearance of the puzzle, and it takes quite some time before you will be able to remove the parts from the frame. And if it is your first puzzle from Dr. Volker Latusek, it will be like a small puzzle within the puzzle. This puzzle will remind you another puzzle from Dr. Volker Latusek, which is called Casino, that also had the similar type of the frame and also 6 parts, but those were circle pieces. These are square with rounded corners and 2 heart-shaped parts. This puzzle was designed as a wedding gift for Dr. Volker Latusek's elder brother. The solution of the puzzle will be different than the Casino puzzle, so you can expect new interesting moves in this puzzle. If you like the Eros puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I'll try to explain you how to solve it. So first of all, we put this heart-shaped piece inside and to the right. I hope you can see what is happening inside. And then I put one of these parts inside and put it down inside the frame. Then this piece goes to the left and another piece like that goes inside here. Next we flip. Wait a second, do we have to flip it? No, I think that this piece is supposed to go here and then you rotate it so that it will block the opening. Now you flip the box here and then you grab another square piece, put it from here, then you flip the box again, and now what you have to do is grab the last piece and put it inside. You put it inside this way, straight down, and then you do a slight rotation, move to the left, and the puzzle is solved. All parts are inside, no pieces are sticking out. Now we have to remove everything from the frame. We remove the heart-shaped piece first. Then we flip the box, remove this part. Then we flip the box again and move this part one step up, rotate it and remove from the box. And now it will be easy to remove the rest of the parts. That's not a big of a deal, unless they are moving inside, then it will be a little bit more challenging. So that was the solution of the Eros puzzle. As you can see, some tricky moves, tricky rotations as always in puzzles designed by Dr. Volker Latusek. And if you tried Eros but never tried other puzzles by Dr. Volker Latusek, you have to try the other puzzles as well. Since all of his designs are amazing, they are different, there are no other puzzles like that on the market. Dr. Volker Latusek creates amazing puzzles with amazing solutions. If you like the Eros puzzle and you want to buy other puzzles by Dr. Volker Latusek, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching, see you next time.